Hey, hey guys, it's your girl Lisa. I am here in the kitchen at Babe's house, and I'm not out walking today. I'm inside the kitchen, and I am about to show you a quick way to make your own detergent, guys. Yes, your own detergent. And listen, I got a beautiful container to put in. I'll show you that later. Here are some of the ingredients. That, this, and 2 of these by Dr. Bronner. Guys, this is going to just be an amazing thing. Remember on my channel, we talk about minimalist living, but we also want to show you, well, at least I'm going to show you different ways to really save money and come out being healthier as far as your lungs and stuff with all this ingredients from your detergents and stuff, all the perfumes and stuff. So on this channel, I am Lisa the Melanated Minimalist. Guys, go ahead and like, share, or comment below if this video has helped you at all. And what's some ways you're going to be doing during this recession? How are you going to really be able to come out on top? I mean, one way is, I think personally, is to save a bit of dollars by doing things that are more homemade. I'm going to even show you how to make your own toothpaste. Not on this one, I'm going to show you how to make your own bathroom cleaners. They're going to be really healthy for you. Don't go to the dollar store about all that stuff, all the chemicals in it. Only thing I try to go to dollar stores get stuff like this. Things will help with storage, which I'm going to show you some stuff too, as I help to help Babes with his storage and all that. You know, our men need our assistance. But anyway, I'm in here grinding up this soap. Now, I might not do it all today. I'm going to try my best, because I might come back later and bring some more soap. But it's using 2 bars of soap, right? And to make things quicker, I'm going to just do a little bit, and I'm going to show you how I put it together. And then that's going to be it. It's so simple that if you have children, guys, you can get your kids to help. And it's a wonderful thing, I think, to show children how to create stuff, how to make things, guys. I'm going to show you this right here. If I had a grater, I would probably put it in there, but I had to go and get, look, this is $1.25. You can't beat that, right? And the soap was more than that. Soap was like $4, but some good stuff. And it smells, guys, let me tell you, it's amazing. It smells amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. I'm telling you, it smells amazing. This right here will blow your mind. Really, it will. That's how good it smells. But try to make it so that I won't get my fingers caught. I'm not going to do all of this. I'm going to show you some of it, how to make it. Okay, so guys, it does require that we put in 4 cups of this. I'm thinking, I'm going to show you the, I'm going to show y'all something. Look, that is the actual thing I'm going to be using. Really. This right here. Okay, so I'm going to be able to show you how to put this in. This is 4 cups. So this is actual 4 cups right here. I'm going to put it all the way in. Okay, here we go. That's going to be 4 cups right there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this around in here. I'm going to grate up some more of this over the actual bowl. What was I doing? I was doing it into the over there, but I'm going to do it right here. Okay, so I'm in here grating some more in here. It smells, like I said, wonderful. So just putting a little bit in there, a little bit more. Okay, remember, this one is calling for 4 and 4. I'm gonna double up the recipe because I am going to be making more than just 4. I think I'm gonna double it to 8 because I don't want to have to go out and buy laundry detergent, nor do I want to keep making this again. So if I figure if I do it now, it will be good to go. I'm gonna, oh, what is that? I'm gonna come back over, guys. And I'm gonna open it up. And I'm going to pour some more in there. And I wish this was live, but it's not because I don't have my laptop to do a live. But this is going to be 4 cups of the laundry booster. And I'm going to show you, again, all the ingredients. And I'll probably list it below. But again, on my channel, it is about the minimalist living. And it's going to show you ways of just how you can just live better, you know. And this is one of the ways is to make this detergent. I don't know if I'll be able to make, I guess I want to be able to make, I was going to try to do 2 doubles of these. So there we go. So that is the recipe, basically. It called for 4 cups of the borax. It called for 4 cups of the Arm & Hammer laundry booster and 2 bars of the Dr. Bronner's soap. And this comes in peppermint. It doesn't just come in lavender. It comes in peppermint also. So if you want to get whatever kind you like for yourself, get what you like. You got peppermint. I think it comes in, of course, this is lavender. It comes in like a rose. Oh, God. I can't think of the name of it right there offhand. But, and it's another one, too, and I can't think of that one either. I think almond. And it's one more, and I can't think of it right now. Citrus, I think. But anyway, they have several bars you can buy. All I'm just showing you is just how easy it is to make this soap. And you're going to use just hardly nothing, probably like a little scoop. Like a little scoop, I think. One little scoop. I'm going to show you probably with the, you won't need a lot. You won't even need a lot, I promise you. And this right here will be something, again, you can use for a year because you don't use as much. It's concentrated. Guys, when I say this smells amazing, this smells absolutely amazing. And I think I'm going to go ahead and put, like I said, I was going to do a little bit more than the 4. So I'm going to do one more set of this. I'm doubling the recipe. Okay, that way I won't have to make, this is a huge, I didn't know, guys, this is a 2 gallon. I got this from Walmart. I didn't realize, the baby was saying, this is huge. It is 2 gallons, so it is quite huge. It is 2 gallons, so he was correct on this when he said, you sure you want to use this for that? But you know what, if I go get a gallon one, that'd be fine too, but I'm not too worried about it. I like the fact that it's large. I could add more if I want to make a little bit more to it, a little bit, you know what I mean? But my goal is to, have this for us to